Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into RBC online banking, quick access step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in the URL for RBC online banking. Press the enter key on your keyboard. Once the RBC homepage loads, look for the login button. Click on the login button. This will redirect you to the RBC online banking login page. You will see two fields, one for your client card number or username. Enter your client card number or username into the designated field. Next, move to the password field. Type in your password with care. Ensure that you enter your credentials correctly. Once you have confirmed that your information is accurate, click the login button. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you may be prompted for a security code. Retrieve the code from your authentication method. Enter the security code in the specified field. After entering the code, click Continue to complete the login process. You should now be logged into your RBC online banking account. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. If you encounter any issues, check your credentials and try again. If problems persist, consider resetting your password or contacting customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.